Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the 256 gigabyte. This is the Pacific Blue. This is fully unlocked and it is also renewed. Alright, so today we have received our iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can see on the label right here, it is fully unlocked and it is compatible with any carrier of your choice: AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon, US Cellular, Cricket, Metro, etc. So what you do get here, you do get a charging block to charge up your phone. You get a lightning cable to USB. You do get the SIM card pen. It does not come with a headphones or a SIM card, so these used phones are inspected and guaranteed to have a minimal cosmetic damage, which is noticeable when the device is held at the arm length. Successfully passed a full diagnostic test, which ensures like new functionality and removal of any prior user information. These are guaranteed. They are tested the battery for a guaranteed minimum battery capacity of 80%. This one here actually was about a 90%. And this is the back of the phone. So the package dimensions 7.32 by 3.98 by 2.01 inches. The item weight is 14.8 ounces. The model number is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This version has no scratches on the screen nor the body. It does have fingerprints on the side. It is a fingerprint magnet, so I suggest if you are looking for this phone not to have any fingerprints, I suggest getting a case for this. But there was no damage to the phone or the camera. All the buttons are intact, the speaker's intact, the charger's intact. You do not get the original charger with it, but you do get one that is certified to work for this device. And in fact, this one itself works really good. It charged it super fast. So at the bottom, you've got the speakers, the charger port. It looks just like the 13 with the same metal aluminum alloy sides, bottom. So you can see this is the blue color, the light blue. It is in roughly excellent condition. This is the renewed premium. I don't know what the other ones entail, but this one, the premium, it does look like it is brand new. You can see the back. There is no scratches. The camera looks nice. There's no scratches on the screen itself. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Now you got your Apple logo, so it does turn on. There's no issues there. You just wipe this down. You can get rid of the fingerprints, but there is no scratches. You have your SIM card tray right here. Your up and down volume rockers. You have your mute and unmute. You have your notch at the top. And on the other side, you have the power button. You can see it looks really nice. This is the 256 gigabyte. So I get a lot of storage on this one, and then I can just set this up. The camera looks really nice. There's no scratches on the camera whatsoever. You've got your flashes. You got your nice little Apple logo. The great thing about this is a lot of the phones that I've seen that are refurbished, especially when it comes to Apple, not all of them are at least 80 to 90%. This one did come at 90% capacity. So this is unlocked. It works with any network: AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon, US Cellular, Cricket, Metro, any service you have, it will work on it. This is in excellent condition, being the fact that it is renewed. I did purchase it off here of Amazon from Electro Wireless. So this one here has no scratches at all whatsoever. You do get the charging cable and the charging brick. It is not the original to Apple, but it works super fast. In fact, it was 0%. It charged up to 50% in like 25 minutes. So I would definitely recommend this seller. This phone is fantastic. No scratches, looks nice, as if it was bought brand new. I would highly recommend, if you're looking for an iPhone that is not going to break the bank and you can get the same features at a discounted price, I would say check this one out.